As we've seen, what is happening in the market is evolving rapidly. Our cloud content security platform, which Simon will demonstrate soon, sits at the center of a critical cybersecurity ecosystem. The market, with our partners' input, shapes our product roadmap. In this section of the presentation, I'm going to take you through what we are doing today to address the current market needs and, critically, what the future product roadmap looks like. As you will see, our product roadmap is more like a product ecosystem comprised of a number of key players to generate revenue on the back of your investment in FirstWave. Next slide, please. I am presenting this product roadmap slide to highlight the company's comprehensive, longer-term vision and plan for the portfolio of technology as well as customer and service enablement capabilities on our cloud content security platform. Now, this is a complicated slide, so please don't try to read it. Instead, let me break this down for you into its key component parts. My primary objective and my role is to take market and partner inputs and develop consumable products which generate streams of revenue for our partners and protect their end user customers. I'll now explain how we do this using the product roadmap. As Neil said earlier, respectfully, I suspect for some this could be stretching the limits of your technology understanding, while for others this might be familiar. But it is important, so I will take some time. Next slide, please. Our customer is the service provider, the telco service provider, vendor, or systems integrator, and this is the first player in our ecosystem. We sell our cloud content security platform to these customers, which we call partners, and enable them to provide world's best, enterprise-grade, innovative, differentiable, and branded cybersecurity as a service offerings to their customers and their end users. Click, please. Our platform is configured with the core operational functions required by a service provider to deliver cybersecurity as a service to their end customers. As you can see on this slide, the core operational functions include ordering, provisioning, licensing, billing, and so on. In fact, everything necessary to order, turn on, manage, and hence generate revenue from the services integrated into the platform. Very importantly, as the product roadmap unfolds, these functions will digitally integrate with service provider operations to enhance automation, flexibility, and agility for the service provider with scalability, cost, and customer experience benefits. Click, please. These services protect end users, the second player in our product ecosystem, and the consumer of our services. Click, please. These end users consume email, firewall, web, and endpoint security, together with advanced detection and response, or ADR, and these afford essential digital perimeter protection. They're all offered from the platform as a service, which is the basis of the term cybersecurity as a service. In later phases of the product roadmap, end users will consume enhanced versions of these and many other services with richer security functionality that will protect them despite challenging business requirements, technology complexity, and an evolving threat landscape. At this point, let me take a quick pause and summarize. The FirstWave Cloud Content Security Platform, which is the foundation of our product ecosystem, enables our partners, who are our customers, to take enterprise-grade cybersecurity technology and offer it as a service to their end customers, who in turn consume the FirstWave products like email, web, and firewall security, as well as endpoint protection and advanced detection and response. I hope this is making sense. So let's keep going. Next slide, please. When we build product capabilities, we build them in phases. As security technology evolves and improves, so do we. We call these phases horizons. And our product roadmap currently extends across 4 horizons. For simplicity, these horizons roughly map to financial years. So, Horizon 0 is what we offer today or in the very near future in this financial year. Horizon 1 is broadly what we are projecting to develop and bring to market next financial year. Horizon 2 is the financial year after, and so on. Next slide, please. The final 2 slides of my part of today's presentation bring this whole product ecosystem together. The first slide looks across the product roadmap broadly, and you will see that in our current commercial model, the end user is actually the one who generates revenue for both the partners and therefore for us. Our partners also get the benefit of a reduced cost to serve. So our partners get additional revenue streams from their end customers. And because of the functionality of the platform, they are able to generate that revenue at a reduced cost. Click, please. The platform software developed by Simon and his development team is the intellectual property that underpins the product roadmap and product ecosystem. This intellectual property contains unique capabilities to integrate and transform world-leading enterprise-grade security vendor technologies into revenue-generating cybersecurity as service offerings for our service provider customers. It is important to understand the unique, innovative combination of our IP with leading vendor IP creates and delivers sustainable, differentiable value to our service provider customer and their end users. Next slide, please. This slide provides an example of how we will build capability progressively through the product roadmap to offer value to our service provider partners. In this example, you can see, highlighted in green, a subset of key capabilities on the product roadmap delivered across multiple horizons. For Telco Service Provider Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE. SASE, a term coined by Gartner, is an emerging technology that will transform the digital enterprise, network, and cloud security services market over the coming years. These product roadmap capabilities chart a course for FirstWave to fully exploit the SASE market opportunity. So our telco customers will use our platform to deliver innovative and new telco SASE services on their future edge and 5G infrastructure to their enterprise and government customers. So what does this all mean? Firstly, that this product roadmap is built upon our intense focus, insights, and deep understanding of the market and our service provider customer requirements. Secondly, that the product roadmap will deliver capabilities that will meet these requirements and at least satisfy or indeed exceed the expectations of our customers. And thirdly, that the investment in the product roadmap will position the company to capture a significant share of the growing market partner and revenue opportunities.